Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad SYAAMIL HARIIRI bin Abdul Basir. I am from 6XBME2. My topic is helicopter or aeroplane give more benefit to transportation.
Okay, shoot.
Okay, before I proceed with my topic, I will give you a briefly explain about what is an aeroplane and what is helicopter. Behind me, you can see is as example of an aeroplane. The type is HS125. Aeroplane is invented by Wright brothers in 1903. An aeroplane comes with a variety size and shape and wing configuration. An airplane is a powered fixed wing that is propelled forward by a thrust by a jet engine or propeller. A helicopter is a type of rotorcraft in which lift and thrust are supplied by rotors. The first person who designed a helicopter was Igor Sikorsky in 1942. Helicopter is also known as a chopper, heli and wheeliebird. The helicopter comes with various type, design and size. The current issue right now is which type of transportation will give more profit for the transportation. Okay, we will make the comparison about these two types of transportation. First, for the fuel, these two types of transportation use the same fuel, which is the jet A1. From my point of view, the aeroplane have more fuel consumption efficiency. This is because the aeroplane use less fuel than the helicopter for flight. The second comparison we can do from the customer target. The aeroplane target to the passenger who want to travel around the world, but for the helicopter, they only target to the industry. For example, oil and gas industry. Other comparison that we can do is company comparison. For aircraft, AirAsia is the top company in Malaysia. It is a low-cost airline company. The CEO is Tony Fernandez. In the Forbes currently he is number 37 out of 50 richest in Malaysia. From the Age Market magazine, Chester Stay said that AirAsia profit for full year 2016 is 2.04 billion and their revenue is 6.92 billion. For helicopter, Westar Aviation Services Sdn Bhd is the top for helicopter transportation. Westar currently is leading of offshore transportation for oil and gas. Their CEO is Tan Sri Zai Azman bin Ibrahim. In the Forbes, he is currently number 26 from the 50 richest in Malaysia. From the Age Market, Kamarul Azhar said Westar Aviation Services registered net profit for 94 million and their revenue is 717 million. From my opinion, both type of transportation have their own advantage. But for the helicopter, when the oil and gas company have the economic crisis, it will give a great impact for the helicopter transportation. For the aeroplane transportation, the number of passengers will increase by years. There are many benefits for air transportation. The main benefit is high speed because it is the fastest mode of transport. Therefore, it is suitable for long distance and require less time. This air transportation have their own benefits. For aircraft, the benefit is the aeroplane can carry more passengers. Secondly, the aeroplane is less fuel consumption. It is faster and comfort than other transportation. For helicopter, the benefit is the helicopter did not need a runway to take off and landing. So it is easy to use the helicopter in the narrow space like the offshore. Both of this type of transportation have their own way to help Malaysia economy. For the aeroplane, it helps Malaysia economy to increase the number of tourists, and it helps the Malaysia in the tourism part. For the helicopter, it helps the Malaysia economy with the oil and gas industry. So both of these transportation have benefit to the country in their own way. From my point of view, based on my comparison that I have done, I think aeroplane give more profit for transportation. Thank you for watching.